Space is vast, it's filled with wonder and beauty, but it also holds danger. Asteroids, remnants of the solar system's formation, hurtle through the cosmos. Some of these cosmic bullets have Earth in their sights. One such asteroid is 2024 YR4. Discovered in late 2024 YR4 sent ripples of concern through the scientific community. Initial calculations suggested a 3.1% chance of impact with Earth in 2032. An impact of this magnitude could have devastating consequences. The possibility, however slim, was a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability in the cosmic shooting gallery. The world held its breath as scientists raced against time. They needed to refine the asteroid's trajectory. Every new data point was crucial. The fate of our planet hung in the balance. As scientists delved deeper, a sense of relief began to emerge. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye on the cosmos, provided invaluable data. Its observations painted a clearer picture of 2024 YR4's path. The risk of an Earth impact plummeted to a mere 0.004%, practically negligible. But the cosmos always has surprises in store. While Earth was deemed safe, the Moon was now in the crosshairs. The refined trajectory indicated a 1.7% chance of 2024 YR4 colliding with our celestial neighbor on December 22, 2032. The news, while not catastrophic, shifted the focus from planetary peril to a unique scientific opportunity. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled sensitivity and resolution, proved instrumental in this cosmic detective work. Its infrared vision pierced through the veil of dust and debris, providing accurate measurements of the asteroid's size, shape, and composition. The data from JWST allowed scientists to model 2024 YR4's orbit with unprecedented precision. This led to the significant reduction in Earth's risk assessment. The telescope's ability to track faint objects against the background of stars proved crucial in this endeavor. While a lunar impact might not pose an immediate threat to humanity, it presents an extraordinary opportunity for scientific exploration. The impact would unleash a tremendous amount of energy, creating a new crater on the lunar surface. This event would be visible from Earth, a celestial spectacle observable with telescopes and even the naked eye. The impact would eject lunar material into space, providing valuable insights into the Moon's composition and geological history. Scientists could study the impact crater's formation and evolution, gaining a better understanding of similar events that have shaped celestial bodies throughout the solar system. 2024 YR4, initially a harbinger of potential disaster, has transformed into a celestial gift, a unique opportunity to unlock the secrets of our Moon and refine our planetary defense strategies. It serves as a reminder of the awe-inspiring power of the cosmos and the importance of continued exploration and scientific advancement.